Uniswap value equivalent to $12.9807 a coin. The present exchange cost range $12.518 $13.334. The earlier day close $12.60138. The change was plus Spion 669 plus 291%. Reverse rate OS to Uni. Dollar to Uniswap figure for June 2024. At the outset cost at 0.83 coins. Excessive costs 83, while lows on 67. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 76. The OS to Uni conjecture toward the month's ends on 72, change for June 13.3%. OS to Uni expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 0.72 coins. Excessive costs are 92, while lows on 72. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 80. The OS to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.85, change for July 18.1%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 0.85 coins. Excessive costs in 85, while lows are in 69. The arrived at the midpoint of cost or 78. The OS to Uni figure toward the month's ends on 74, change for August 12.9%. OS to Uni expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.74 coins. Exorbitant costs on 74, while lows on 59. The found the middle value of cost end 68. The OS to Uni estimate toward the month's ends on 63, change for September 14.9%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.63 coins. Exorbitant costs are 67, while lows on 58. The found the middle value of cost 0.63. The OS to Uni gauge toward the month's ends 0.62, change for October 1.6%. OS to Uni expectation for November 2024. To start with cost at 0.62 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.66, while lows on 57. The found the middle value of cost 0.62. The OS to Uni gauge toward the month's ends 0.61, change for November 1.6%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for December 2024. At the outset cost at 0.61 coins. Excessive costs 63, while lows in 55. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.60. The OS to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.59, change for December 3.3%. OS to Uni expectation for January 2025. At the outset cost at 0.59 coins. Excessive cost 0.59, while lows around 47. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 54. The OS to Uni estimate toward the month's ends on 51, change for January 13.6%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.51 coins. Exorbitant costs on 52, while lows in 45. The found the middle value of cost 0.49. The OS to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.48, change for February 5.9%. OS to Uni expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.48 coins. Exorbitant costs 51, while lows on 44. The found the middle value of cost on 48. The OS to Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.47, change for spring 2.1%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for April 2025. Before all else cost at 0.47 coins. Excessive costs are 50, while lows are 143. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 147. The OS to Uni figure toward the month's end 0.46, change for April 2.1%. OS to Uni expectation for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.46 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.49, while lows in 42. The found the middle value of cost 0.46. The OS to Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.45, change for May 2.2%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for June 2025. To start with cost at 0.45 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.49, while lows on 42. The found the middle value of cost on 45. The OS to Uni gauge toward the month's end 0.45, change for June 0%. OS to Uni expectation for July 2025. At the outset cost at 0.45 coins. Excessive costs 0.45, while lows in 37. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 42. The OS to Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.39, change for July 13.3%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at 0.39 coins. Excessive cost 0.48, while lows on 39. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.43. The USD Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.44, change for August 12.8%. USD Uni expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.44 coins. Exorbitant cost soon 57, while lows on 44. The found the middle value of cost on 50. The USD Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.53, change for September 25%. Dollar to Uniswap estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.53 coins. Excessive costs 53, while lows on 46. The arrived at the midpoint of costs are 50. The USD Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.49, change for October 7.5%. USD Uni expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at 0.49 coins. Excessive costs in 50, while lows in 44. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.48. The USD Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.47, change for November 4.1%. Dollar to Uniswap gauge for December 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.47 coins. Exorbitant costs are 60, while lows on 47. The found the middle value of costs are 52. The USD Uni estimate toward the month's end 0.55, change for December 17%. USD Uni expectation for January 2026. Before all else cost at 0.55 coins. Excessive costs are 55, while lows are 45. The arrived at the midpoint of cost are 51. The USD Uni figure toward the month's end 0.48, change for January 12.7%. Dollar to Uniswap figure for February 2026. Before all else cost at 0.48 coins. Excessive costs 59, while lows being 48. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 52. The USD Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.54, change for February 12.5%. USD Uni expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 0.54 coins. Excessive costs are 69, while lows are 54. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 60. The USD Uni conjecture toward the month's end 0.64, change for spring 18.5%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for April 2026. Initially cost at 0.64 coins. Excessive costs 83, while lows on 64. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 72. The USD Uni figure toward the month's end 77, change for April 20%. USD Uni expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 0.77 coins. Excessive costs 79, while lows are 68. The arrived at the midpoint of cost at 74. The USD Uni conjecture toward the month's end 73, change for May 5.2%. Dollar to Uniswap conjecture for June 2026. At the outset cost at 0.73 coins. Excessive costs in 86.